Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. It is Loyal as always, and in today's video we're going to be doing a DIY face scrub using sugar and red oil. Yes, and you could most likely use lemon or lime as the case may be, but in today's video it's going to be just sugar and red oil. Yes, a couple of days ago, sorry, weeks ago, I spoke to one of my acquaintances about having so much spots on my face and all that, and so she recommended, or rather, she taught me how to prepare this homemade face scrub using this thing that we can find around our kitchen in the house on a daily. And so it works for me to a very large extent, and so I thought I should share it with you. And so, guys, if you are interested in knowing how to prepare this homemade face scrub, just stick around to the end of this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, these are the items we'll be making use of for this face scrub. We need a little quantity of red oil. It depends on how long you want to use it for, and then we also need sugar, and then most people want to make use of either lemon or lime as the case may be, but I for one want to make use of red oil and sugar for my face scrub for today. Yes, so we'll be needing an equivalent of 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna pour it into the red oil and mix it. I want to make sure that it is well mixed. It is thoroughly mixed. I want to mix it simultaneously. I want the sugar to settle in and sit pretty in the red oil. Yes, and it's gonna take a little while before I'm able to achieve it. Yes, so I'm gonna mix it thoroughly, and then it's almost ready to be used. Yeah, here you are, guys. This is the end result of mixing the sugar and oil together, and so it is ready to be used. And so here you are. I'll be making use of my hand. I'll mix it. I'll fetch a little quantity of the mixture and apply on my face. I need to make sure that I use it to massage my face. Sometimes you need to be very careful because the undiluted sugar will still be hard on your skin. So all you need to do is to be very careful while mixing it. Sorry, while massaging it on your skin. Yeah, you will need to be extra careful. Yes, and so make sure it goes round and round and round and round, and make sure it touches all parts of your face. Please ensure it doesn't go into your eyes. It's very important that it doesn't go into your eyes. That's a sensitive part of your body. Yeah, go baby, go. Go baby, go baby, go. And so I'm just trying to allow time to pass so that the mixture can settle in and penetrate my skin for a little while before I can now go and wash it off. So I'm thinking of waiting for like 5 minutes. Now the purpose is to help exfoliate the skin, to remove dead cells and enhance shining, smooth and pretty face. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you when next I upload a new video. Take care. Bye guys. Bye.